Welcome, citizens of planet Earth, to a brand new episode of Data Drops, the series where I provide simple tutorials helping you make the most of amazing open source software like GIMP, OBS, Kdenlive, and Audacity. All available absolutely free and all available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Are you an entrepreneur on a budget? Do you have more spare time than spare money? Why not learn the skills to do it all yourself? Need the skills to pay the bills? Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Get everything how I like it. Here with my layers dialog box and my brushes dialog box already open and my toolbox there ready to go. Now, to open a new document, simply press Ctrl N, and I'm going to select 1920 by 1080 only because this will be my YouTube thumbnail, custom thumbnail, so that's the standard size. If I expand here under advanced options, I want to make sure that this says transparency, which is effectively adding an alpha channel to our project. So click OK, and there we go. We have our transparent background ready to drag and drop our subject into. So let's find our subject. Click and drag and drop, like so. Okay, the first thing we need to do before we do anything further is we need to go up to our layers dialog box, which is left click on the image. You need to add an alpha channel. To magnify, plus. Now what we need to do is we need to use one of our selection tools. We could use our pre-select tool. We could use our scissors. We could use our path. For this exercise, we're using our select. Use the pre-select tool. Basically, all we're doing is creating a series of dots and connecting a series of dots. Carefully making our way around the outline, clicking as we go along. So, creating a number of waypoints. Right. So once we get down here and we're almost at the finish line, we need to complete our selection by connecting dots. We want to connect the dot that we laid. Now to select our GIMP, double click inside the selection, inside the outline we've just created. And as you see, we've successfully selected our GIMP. And so now if we were to just press delete, we would delete our GIMP. Okay, like this. And we're left with our background. Press minus. Scale that down. So that's no good. We just press Ctrl Z to undo that move. And he's back again. So if we want to delete the background rather than our GIMP, all we need to do is we need to go up to our select at the top and we want to select invert, or you can press Control I. Control I. Okay, and now I can press delete, and that deletes the background. As you can see, there's a few spots I need to do now. Go again, a little more, a little further. First thing you need to do, you need to deselect. We go to select none. Okay. Now we can, using our pre-select tool, we can head back and so now we need to join our first dot, like so. Double click inside the selection, and now this time we can just hit delete. If we were to invert before we delete it, it's going to delete the outside of our selection. So now we can just hit delete, and that's it's gone. Another bit here. I want to be super fussy. I'll do this bit here too. And because I'm Capricorn and super fussy, I'll do that. Hit plus, magnify, 5 as much as you like, really. Minus on your keyboard. It looks pretty good. Done okay. So now what we need to do, export and save our image. Go up to File, Save As, or Shift Control S. Call it GIMP, and this is our working file. If you remember in GIMP, if you saving a working file of work progress. And I'll export as well. Just Control E on your keyboard. Call it GIMP, save it as PNG. Export. Export. Right. So now what we can do is we can close this one down. Now it's saved. We have our transparent background. We have exported it. We can close it. Okay, so now we need to find our desired background. And want to drag and drop from the folder straight into GIMP like that. So there's my nice background. If you look up here, it's 1920 by 1080. So then what we need to do is we need to find GIMP. Once we've located GIMP in his folder, drag and drop.
Nice.
So now what we would like to do is merge these two layers, consolidate our GIMP with its background. Okay. Now if I have my move tool selected, and if I try and move GIMP, it'll move it. Press Control Z to undo that. keep the aspect ratio. Why not add a little bit of text with some awesome cool effects? If you don't know how to do that, then you might want to refer back to the previous video where I show you how to create awesome and very simple text effects which will make your text stand out. And that concludes this episode of Data Drops. If you'd like me to cover something in particular, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace to everyone. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of Data Drops.